James Dooley just revealed the eye visibility tools that transformed his client rankings. These aren't your standard SEO tools, they're game changers for creators and freelancers. Traditional SEO monitoring is outdated. Eye visibility tools now track rankings, competitor moves, and content performance automatically. James Dooley recommends these specifically because they save hours weekly while delivering actionable insights. Whether you're managing multiple clients or your own brand, these tools eliminate guesswork and keep you ahead of algorithm changes. Dooley's top 3. First, SEO combines AI-powered rank tracking with competitor analysis. Second, Semrush's new AI features automate keyword research and visibility audits. Third, Ahrefs offers unmatched backlink intelligence with e-driven insights. Let's detail each tool excels differently. C ranking for budget-conscious teams, Semrush for all-in-one solutions, Ahrefs for link specialists. Start by auditing your current visibility baseline. Pick one tool matching your budget and primary need. Create automated dashboards tracking your 3 core metrics, keyword rankings, organic traffic, and competitor positions. Check daily reports. Most tools send them automatically. Within 2 weeks, you'll identify quick wins for immediate ranking improvements. Combine multiple tools for comprehensive coverage. Use the ranking for daily tracking, Semrush for comparative ranking, Semrush for competitor research, and Ahrefs for backlink strategy. Set up alerts for research and Ahrefs for backlink strategy. Set up alerts for ranking drops catching issues early days, months of recovery time. Most tools offer free trials, test before committing. You timestamp translate directly to more client work. Which tool will you try first? Drop a comment below and subscribe for more A tool reviews that actually move the needle for your business.